Hello, this is Bianca from Windyigarn. So I've just done a BioMicroneedling treatment a couple hours ago, which you can grab online on our website. So you can see that I'm super tight. Skin is super tight at the moment, a couple of hours in, and you can see that all the pigment is being pushed up, and what will happen is when this is ready, it will actually start peeling. So you'll literally peel away any discoloration, any pigment. Tomorrow I'm going to upload a video in what to expect next, so what to expect for day 2. By day 3, 4, you should see some peeling. You can already see that that's super tight, super ready. I have done biomicroneedling treatments before, so my skin is a little bit more used to it. In terms of what to expect on your first day, all the discoloration, all impurities, everything will be pushed out, as you can see. Very brown. And we'll check back in tomorrow.